This is the proposed restoration project of the Production Engineering Laboratory in order to convert it to a modern academic facility. We now see the bird's eye view of the ground floor, which houses several mini labs and student working areas. The project room will be a newly renovated room for students to work on their projects. The upgraded seminar room with modern fixtures and multimedia facilities will be used to conduct student presentations and hold department meetings. The lobby area will include a staircase to access the first floor. The main lobby will be used to entertain local and foreign visitors to the laboratory, including those from the industry and academia. Some of the mini labs to be upgraded include the Electronic and Instrumentation Lab, the Metrology Lab, which will comprise of modern measurement equipment, and the Computer Integrated Manufacturing Center, where students will learn the practical aspects of robotics and industrial automation. The first floor of the department includes a newly constructed partition which will house staff offices for academic staff, a small lobby area, workstations, and a modern computing facility. The computer laboratory will accommodate 25 to 30 students at a time and will be used to teach computer-aided design using state-of-the-art engineering software. The workstations will provide ample space for the research and teaching staff of the department. The glass partitions have been designed to provide a view of the CNC machining facilities on the ground floor and give a modern feel to the laboratory. All of these modifications have been planned with due consideration to the highest safety standards. This proposed state-of-the-art modernization project can also be used as a role model for the upliftment of the other departments as well. Dear members of the Peradeniya Engineering Faculty alumni and everyone near and dear to the University of Peradeniya, this is a place from which we received our firm foundation in higher education. Let's get together and raise funds to make this project a reality, thus taking the engineering faculty of the University of Peradeniya towards a new era. Thank you.